Hello everyone, I'm in it. Today I'm showcasing a tileable copper bolt toggler, and all I know is it works in 1.21.4, and this is it. I was trying to use a note block here to make it faster, but this is actually the fastest we can go because the note block would, well, sometimes pulse into the other one. Like whenever this one was powered, it'd activate this one as well, making it not tileable. I mean, unless if you were to add a wall like between them, and then you could add your tile one, like you could add one. But I'm waiting to have it like each module tileable without a wall between them, and it's only one wide. Well, my thinnest one yet. Well, the brewing machine was also just as big. Well, I mean, it was a bit longer, but anyway, this is it. So how it works is this note block acts as a button, which will activate these two observers, which activates that one, which pulses into that block, which tells this repeater to power this block, thus powering the copper bulb. And it does not matter if it's waxed, nor does it matter if it's oxidized or not. It'll all work just the same. Like heck, you could even have waxed and not waxed next to each other, or oxidized and not oxidized next to each other, like any level of oxidization, really. But yeah, let's get into the tutorial, shall we? Place your note block with two observers coming out of it. Repeat observer coming out of that, and then you want to place blocks in a V. Wait, no, you want to place your copper bulb right here. Then you want to place your blocks in a V shape, kind of like so. And then you want to place your repeater facing into that block in the front. And that's it. And I'll showcase a tiled version. And yeah, that's all it is. And I'll showcase them working right here. I can even hold right click and it will activate the one on the left. And these are idiot proof, meaning you can just hold right click infinitely and it won't break it. Now say if there's a redstone dust right here, then it'll break. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.